So first of all, you're gonna need any clear glue. I'm using this Elmer's clear glue which I got from Walmart. You can use any other you want. Now you need to squeeze it out as much as you want. Now you have to mix it very slowly so that you can maintain air bubbles in it and it will make a very stretchy slime. Mix it, mix it, mix it as if it's your job. Now you need to add the same amount of water you added the glue. And you remember what's your job? To mix, mix and mix. Now you have to add borax solution slowly while mixing so that it can make a very nice slime, and you have to add the same amount of borax solution you added the water in. I know it looks bad right now because it's not done yet. It looks like a substance which is not stretchy and breakable, but yeah, that's gonna change after at least 2 weeks. You have to keep it in an airtight container, and let's see what happens afterwards. My god, I'm absolutely shook with the results. I love this slime. We made another bigger one for you guys to show, so that's this one. I want you guys to try it and tell me in the comments if you want more of these. I'll meet you in another video. Amazing.